A clean interface saves time because you spend less effort figuring out where to find offers, rewards, and redemption options, and more time actually earning. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 reward apps that stand out for their simple layouts and easy navigation instead of cluttered menus. The first app is Fetch Rewards. The home screen is straightforward, receipt scanning is easy to find, and your points balance is always visible. If your goal is earning rewards from everyday shopping, the app keeps the process simple. Second is Rewarded Play. The dashboard clearly shows available games, your progress, and your reward balance. You don't have to search through multiple menus just to see what to play next. Third is Missed Play. The app organizes recommended games in an easy-to-browse format, and your reward progress is displayed throughout the experience. If you like discovering new mobile games, everything is presented in one place. The fourth recommendation is Cleanest. Its receipt submission process is simple, and the app avoids unnecessary screens before you upload a receipt. That makes it convenient for users who only spend a few minutes at a time earning rewards. The fifth app is Microsoft Rewards. Whether you're checking available activities or your current points, the layout stays organized and easy to understand. If you already use Microsoft services, the familiar design makes navigation even easier. A clean interface does more than look good. It reduces mistakes when redeeming rewards, helps you find new earning opportunities faster, and makes it easier to understand how the app works without reading long tutorials. Simple navigation also makes it easier to compare offers before you spend time completing them. If an app clearly displays your progress, reward balance, and available tasks, you can decide quickly whether an activity is worth doing. Even the best designed app should still be reviewed before you spend significant time using it. Check the available payout methods, supported countries, and redemption options to make sure they match what you're looking for. To recap, Fetch Rewards, Rewarded Play, Missed Play, Cleanest, and Microsoft Rewards all offer interfaces that are easy to navigate while keeping earning opportunities accessible. Start with the app that matches how you already earn rewards, whether that's scanning receipts, playing games, or completing daily activities. A cleaner interface won't increase your earnings by itself, but it can make the entire experience faster and much less frustrating. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best reward apps and real money earning opportunities in 2026.